It's just a lot of coyotes howling off, and that gets all the other coyotes to howl off too, all the way down the river. So we get them lighting up like that, and then we can pinpoint exactly where we want to make our sits. So we'll light them up, we'll get them howling, we'll go on Onyx, we'll make waypoints where we hear them, and then we'll move in there. There's the first one. Okay, so we got 3 coyotes down here on this bottom, right in front of us. So we're gonna go make a sit. There's like a really big flat, hay flat. We're gonna go sit down here on these hay bales, and that should be some really badass footage if we can get them to come in. Alright guys, it is colder than nuts out here. We're on our second set right now. First set we had a dry stand, but now we got a river bottom here in front of us. We're just on the field here. So hopefully we call some onto this field. But that's gonna be a sweet set. I really hope we get kind of cold here because we'll get some awesome footage. Get some good content for you guys. Alright, but Morgan, this is your kill. Just let him come as close as he can. I got it, Morgan, if you want to shoot him. If you're steady. Shoot him, Elliot. Alright guys, well, we just got our first scout morning on our second set. Came in perfect, shot my 80 yards. Morgan's gun went click. Wanted to get him a kill, but malfunction. Morgan, or Bryce over there, piled him up. 80 yards. Alrighty guys, first set of the morning. It's gonna be kind of a grind today because it's about 50 degrees. It's been normally like 20 and below, so we'll have to see what happens. We got this big draw out here in front of us. It's real deep. It doesn't look that deep from here, but when you get down in there, it's deep and there's coyotes always in there. So hopefully we can pull one out of there. ugly, isn't it? Hold him up there, Bryce. See what you got. Oh, he doesn't look half bad. He looked ugly running through there. Like he had some mange or something. That's a good shot. Weird.
That coyote was like right there. And I was sitting up facing this way in case something come up. And I'm like waiting for one of you guys to squeeze. Nobody. And like last year we had one get away in the pines. So I was like, dude, screw this. Swung my gun over. Was on for 2 seconds. Just What's this guy look cool?
Three of them. Didn't see the other two. The first one, I woofed at him, trying to get him to stop because I thought maybe he's going to leave, but he actually just turned around to look for the other two. So that was kind of a rookie mistake on my part. Number 3?
Yeah,
3.
Well, great weather conditions.
No, this wind sucks. It's hot. But hey, they're still coming to the call. I mean, it's noon. First set.
Good morning.
Morning.
Not as enthusiastic as last night.
Oh.
Bryce was on one last night. He's really.
You were on one.
Mr. Commentator.
What's up, guys? Going to catch snapping turtles today with all my friends. Hope this microphone works. Hello, guys. It's me back here today. Today we're also catching snapping turtles with all my friends.
Snapping turtles.
Snapping turtles.